Hi there, and welcome to MarkSharks Tips and Tricks. In this video, we are going to talk about brain foods. That is, foods that are good to eat and promote healthy brain activity, which in turn promotes active and effective studying. Follow these tips and tricks to best prepare yourself during exam preparation and exam time. Food plays an important role in relieving stress and anxiety, so following a proper diet ensures that your body is physically and mentally prepared for active studying and examinations. Here are some foods that you should eat before and during your exams. Number 1. Nuts. Nuts help relieve stress and are a great snack during your study sessions. Keep a bowl of pistachios, almonds and cashew nuts on your table and munch on them twice a day. Number 2. Oats. Oats is the breakfast food of champions. They promote the flow of serotonin in your body, which induces a feeling of calmness. Have a bowl of oats for breakfast every day, preferably the coarse ones, not the instant ones. Number 3. Oranges. Oranges fight stress. Smelling and eating an orange can reduce stress by 70%. Eat an orange during your snack break, or better yet, drink a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, not the packaged juices, but freshly squeezed orange juice at home. Number 4. Spinach. Spinach promotes well-being and is a great power veggie. Replace lettuce in your salad with spinach. Like Popeye the Sailor Man says, stay strong to the finish by eating your spinach. And number 5. Dark chocolate. After studying hard all day and giving your exams, give yourself a treat and have some dark chocolate. It makes you happy and promotes feelings of euphoria. Also, it is good for the heart, but do eat it in moderation. And that's it. Follow these helpful tips and incorporate these brain foods into your diet to promote well-being and to stay alert and engaged in your studies and your exams. Give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram to stay tuned to further content every week. That's all for now. Thank you for watching and good luck in your examinations. To try MarkSharks for free, click the link below. MarkSharks, learning by doing.